not a race. It is a personal journey. So just keep moving forward, even if your steps feel small. Even if the path ahead seems uncertain and unclear, keep going. Because progress, no matter how slow, is still a progress.
Ngayon, hindi na lamang kayo mga estudyanteng minsang nangangapa sa direksyon ng inyong kinabukasan. You stand here as individuals shaped by perseverance, strengthened by failure, and refined by every challenge that once tried to break you. Ito ang simula ng mas mabigat na tungkulin, sapagkat ang tunay na halaga ng edukasyon ay hindi nasusukat sa medalya, titulo o diploma. Nasusukat ito sa kakayahan nating tumindig, magsalita para sa katotohanan kahit hindi popular at maglingkod kahit walang kasiguraduhang kapalit.
I hereby confer unto you your respective degrees and declare you graduates.
Saranggola ay lilipad sa kahel na kalangitan. Paalam na nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit saan man tayo iba?
There are 4,640 graduates, and you belong.
Do not rely on signs or sa mga pamahiling. Do not just manifest success without putting in the work. Hindi sapat ang puro paniniwala lang kung wala namang aksyon. Instead, believe in yourself and match it with hard work, discipline, and consistency. Because at the end of the day, you are not defined by signs. You are defined by the effort you put in and the courage you carry through the journey.
Ang edukasyon ay hindi dekorasyon isinasabi sa pangalan. Ito ay pananabutang dapat dalhin saan man tayo magtungo sa buhay.
Babalikan, tambayan at tindahan, kwentuang magdamagan, ng bata-bat ng
Life continues beyond failures, beyond detours, and beyond disappointments. These moments may feel like endings, but in reality, they are simply chapters that shape who you are becoming.
saranggola ay lilipad sa kahel na kalangitan. Paalam na nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit saan man tayo iba ng amihan? Di ba papalit ang pagkakaibigan? Sarado na ang kabanatang lipat. Ayaw ko pa harapin.
Dala natin ang responsibilidad na higit pa sa personal na tagumpay. You are a graduate of a nation still struggling to fulfill its fullest potential.
Failure is not the end. It is not a verdict on your worth or your potential. It is simply a redirection, a pause that allows you to grow stronger. You are allowed to cry. You are allowed to feel the weight of disappointment. Those emotions are part of being human. But what you must never allow yourself to do is to give up.
Saranggola ay lilipad sa kahel na kalangitan. Paalam na
medals are symbols of excellence, discipline, and sacrifice. But let them not become the peak of your journey. Let them become the beginning of an even greater pursuit. At sa mga hindi man nakamit ang medalya na minsang pinangarap, huwag ninyong isipin na mas mababa ang iyong mga kwento. May mga tagumpay na dumarating hindi agad-agad, kundi sa pamamagitan ng tahimik na pagtitiis, patuloy na pagsisikap, at pananalig sa sariling kakayahan kahit walang kumakalakpak.
Lilipad na